Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, focused, and ready to conquer the world. Sounds amazing, right? But what if I told you that something as simple as a lack of B vitamins could be holding you back? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're revealing 10 signs you might have a B vitamin deficiency, and how to fix it naturally with foods, supplements, and lifestyle changes. Welcome back to the channel. I'm BeYourHealth. And here we're all about helping you take charge of your health with natural remedies, actionable tips, and science-backed solutions. Before we dive in, take a second to like this video if you're excited to learn, and subscribe for more health-transforming content. And hey, stick around until the end. I'll share my personal favorite B vitamin-packed recipes that are both easy and delicious. Let's get started. Segment 1, what are B vitamins and why you need them? Alright, let's talk about the unsung heroes of your body, B vitamins. These 8 powerhouse nutrients, like B1, B6, B9, and B12, are essential for energy production, brain function, and even keeping your skin, hair, and nails looking their best. Think of them as your body's maintenance crew. They keep everything running smoothly, from your metabolism to your immune system. But here's the twist, your body doesn't store most B vitamins. If you're not eating enough of the right foods, your body will start giving you warning signs. So, what are these signs? Let's dive in. Segment 2, 10 signs you might have a B vitamin deficiency. Here are 10 red flags your body might be sending you. Constant fatigue. Always tired, no matter how much you sleep? B12 or B6 might be the missing puzzle piece. Skin issues. Dry skin, acne, or even rashes? B2 or B7 could be the culprit. Cracked lips or mouth sores. Those painful cracks could be your body asking for B2 or B3, tingling hands or feet. A lack of B12 may be affecting your nerves. Mood swings or depression. Feeling down? Low B9 or B12 could be playing tricks on your mind. Hair thinning or loss. Your body might be screaming for more B7, digestive upsets. Gas, bloating, or even nausea? B1 or B3 might be missing from your diet. Weak immune system. Constantly catching colds? Low B6 could be weakening your defenses. Brain fog. Trouble focusing or remembering things? This could be tied to low B12 or B9, pale or yellowish skin. Anemia caused by a lack of B12 might be the reason. Which of these symptoms surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Segment 3, how to boost your B vitamins naturally. The good news is that B vitamin deficiencies are easy to fix. Here's how you can supercharge your levels naturally. Load up on B-rich foods for meat eaters: eggs, beef liver, salmon, and chicken. For vegetarians and vegans, lentils, spinach, nutritional yeast, and fortified cereals. Smart supplementation. A B complex supplement can cover all your bases. 2. I've linked my favorite, high-quality options in the description below. Check them out if you're looking for a reliable brand. Optimize your gut health. Add probiotics like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut to improve absorption. Limit alcohol. 2. Alcohol can interfere with how your body absorbs B vitamins. Check your levels. A simple blood test can confirm what you're low on. Don't skip this step if you're experiencing multiple symptoms. Interactive break, fun quiz. Let's take a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Which B vitamin is often called the energy vitamin? A, B6B, B9C, B12. Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll reveal the correct one in a bit. Pause for engagement. The answer is C, B12. It's essential for energy production and keeping your brain sharp. Segment 4, inspiring real-life story. I want to share a story that might inspire you. One of our viewers, Emma, struggled with low energy, hair thinning, and constant brain fog. After tweaking her diet and adding a B-complex supplement, here's what she said: I feel like a completely new person. I wake up with more energy, my hair feels healthier, and I'm finally able to focus at work again. Small changes lead to big results. Could this be your story too? Segment 5, delicious, B vitamin-packed recipes. Here's how you can make boosting your B vitamins tasty and fun. Morning power smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, spinach, almond milk, almond butter, and nutritional yeast. Blend it all for a creamy, nutrient-packed start to your day. Protein-packed lentil bowl. Ingredients: cooked lentils, chopped kale, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Toss together for a quick, healthy lunch. B12 fortified snack. Sprinkle nutritional yeast on popcorn or roasted vegetables for a cheesy flavor boost, without the cheese. I've included the links to these easy recipes and the recommended supplements in the description. Check them out to take the guesswork out of your next meal. And there you have it, 10 signs of a B vitamin deficiency and exactly how to fix it naturally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could use this information. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all things natural health and wellness. Looking for the supplements or recipes I mentioned? Click the links in the description to explore trusted products that can help you start feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep thriving.